Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with the bright red hair. Now she stands out from all the rest. You know her anywhere. Well, she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl with the bright red hair. Well, Miss Lindy.
Here we are again, Born Free 10, 10th year. Just when you think it can't get any bigger, this beast has just gotten bigger and better.
It's amazing how much stuff rolls out every year. I mean, you can literally go through the parking lot and it's a show in itself.
You'll never see this many old bikes in one place. It's hard to find a place like this where you get the feel of you're in the back country, you know, some two-lane highways, some twisties. It's just trees and lakes and just cool riding.
We're here, Born Free 10, which is kind of amazing for myself and my partner Mike that started the show, and we wouldn't have even guessed that we'd be doing it a decade later. We threw it as a little parking lot, basically a barbecue party for our friends, and it was everything we wanted that first year, and so we planned it again. It went so well, and all of a sudden it just exploded. And that second year we had 5,000 people from all over the place, and we had like 4 porta potties. We were ill prepared, to say the least, but again, it was just one of those magical days. And we moved out here to Oak Canyon Ranch 7 years ago already, and it's just amazing how much the show has grown, and we still have so much interest from all the riders, builders, enthusiasts, even just spectators. It's really, really remarkable that everybody is coming together still and supporting this, and we couldn't be more happy.
Being a professional skateboarder, it's really cool being at the Born Free 10 show. Now they have a skate ramp here, so it's really cool to see motorcycle culture and skateboarding really connect really well, and it's a lot of good times, you know? Beer, food, bands, babes, what more can you ask for?
The caliber of bikes you see at Born Free is unlike any other show you'll ever go to. It's the Super Bowl for our generation. There's nothing else like it out there.
We always have so much fun at these shows, just getting to meet people face to face that buy and use our products, walking around and seeing them installed, and finally getting to put some faces to the names.
Every year we come back and it just keeps getting better and better.
We can't wait to come back next year.